Time for another case. This one is to say where things are. Its declension pattern is actually among the easiest of all cases. This one is called the prepositional case, which is used for at, in, on, or about something. The word for in or at is just one letter, v.
V.
Restaurant is restoran.
Ресторан.
In a restaurant is v restorani.
В ресторані.
In this case, we add an e to the end of hard masculine nouns. For soft masculine nouns, museum is muzei.
Музей.
In or at a museum would be v muzei.
В музеї.
We replace the last letter y with yi. V muzei. Neuter words are even simpler. The word for on is na.
На.
The word for a lake is озеро.
Озеро.
For bodies of water, Ukrainians always say that they're on them, not at them. To avoid any confusion, we'll add that little hint to the English examples. At the lake would be на озері.
На озері.
The final o is replaced with e for all hard neuter nouns. Sea is море.
Море.
At the sea would be на морі.
На морі.
Soft neuter nouns also use e to replace the final a. We are at the sea. Ми на морі.
Ми на морі.
A school is школа. At or in the school is в школі.
В школі.
We use the same ending for hard feminine nouns. We replace the a with e. Street is вулиця. Вулиця. On the street is на вулиці.
На вулиці.
For soft feminine nouns, ya also becomes e. And one extra conjugation for feminine, for words that end in iya, like California or Australia. These words change from iya to iyi. В Калифорнії.
В Каліфорнії.
В Австралії.
В Австралії.
The word for where is де.
Де?
Where are you? I'm at the restaurant. Де ти? Я в ресторані.
Де ти? Я в ресторані.
To live is жити.
Жити.
I live is я живу.
Я живу.
To negate a verb in Ukrainian, that is to say I don't, or he isn't, or they aren't, we simply add не to the verb. Не.
Не.
I don't live in California. I live in Australia. Я не живу в Каліфорнії. Я живу в Австралії.
Я не живу в Каліфорнії. Я живу в Австралії.
I see you on the street. Я бачу тебе на вулиці.
Я бачу тебе на вулиці.
If you've noticed, тебе has two different stress patterns. When it's alone, as an object, the stress is on the end. Я бачу тебе, він знає тебе. However, when it's used with a preposition, like in у тебе є, the stress moves to the front. He sees her at school. Він бачить її в школі.
Він бачить її в школі.
The most notable exception for this case is at home. It's simply вдома, all one word.
Вдома.
I'm at home. Я вдома.
Я вдома.
Are they at home? Вони вдома.
Вони вдома.